PICHLER presents LG100, the decentralized system solution for home ventilation with fresh and clean air. With its flexible mounting options and connection variants, the LG100 offers an optimum solution for new buildings and renovations. Easy installation in the surface-mounted housing. Or, in a more subtle fashion, a flush-mounted solution. And here also for multi-room applications. Multi-room applications offer a further flush-mounted solution with which the air ducts are hidden behind a facing shell. Additionally providing the option with a window reveal connection. And the variant for suspended ceilings. The standard front of the LG100 is classic white. Architecturally appealing solutions can be implemented by means of different design fronts for the flush-mounted and surface solution. The LG100 is operated easily and intuitively directly on the unit, or via the PICHLER app. A variety of different installation variants, surface-mounted, flush-mounted or ceiling-mounted, and additionally condensate-free thanks to the enthalpy exchanger. LG100, the decentralized all-rounder with high-quality technology for a pleasant room climate.